going on with the numbers, and it's just something like this. So when are you gonna turn it up? Well, Soccer Mom is making a little bit of horsepower these days. This month I had a meeting with a company out of San Antonio, Texas, who wanted to check out Soccer Mom and see if maybe our product would be a good fit with their product. The company in question is Texas Armoring Corporation. So we set up a meeting. Easiest way to get them a taste of the Armageddon life is to get them into an Armageddon vehicle. So I drove it. I drove the Tahoe from Albuquerque to San Antonio.
Looking, kissing when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want some never, just let me know.
Quick pit stop in Roswell. It's supposed to be aliens there or something. I don't know. When you're in San Antonio, you gotta go to the Alamo, which is where I am right now. I made it to San Antonio in the Tahoe, no problems, just like normal road trip in a Tahoe. That's the beauty of turbocharging, really. And met with the guys at Texas Armoring Corporation. So I'm no armored vehicle expert, but I do know there's 3 basic tenets that you want to stick to with an armored vehicle. And the first one is actually stealth. You don't want your armored vehicle to look like an armored vehicle. And that's one of the reasons Texas Armoring Corporation has been so famous, is you really can't pick out their armored vehicles in traffic from their factory counterparts. What started out as a Suburban, Tahoe, or Escalade still looks like a Suburban, Tahoe, or Escalade after they've done their magic to it. So they've got the stealth part worked out. The second tenet would be strength. Obviously, whatever potential scenario you think you may find yourself in, you want the platform to be strong enough to stand up to it. And oh wow, they have this worked out. Check this out.
Life is valuable. Protect it.
So obviously they've got the strength part nailed down. Now what I'm advocating is the third tenet, which is swift. If ever there's a reason that you need to utilize your bullet-stopping Tahoe, Escalade, or Suburban, or Yukon too, you're probably going to want to get out of Dodge real quick after that. So Texas Armoring Corporation makes the lightest armor for the rating that it carries, but it still adds weight. you can expect your vehicle to be a little slower than it was from the factory at even the most minimal armoring levels. With the Armageddon system put on there at very low boost, you can have all of your factory performance back and then some. So if you ever find yourself in a situation, and I hope you never do, at least you'll have that extra oomph to get out of there. It's available now at Texas Armoring Corporation. You can find a link to their website in the description below.